Are you looking for the best way to organise your schedule or day? Today I'll be covering how to access and use the basics of Google Calendar. Hello and welcome back to Tech Blast, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is to use Google Calendar. This free tool will help you to organise your day, schedule, meetings, lessons and so much more. To access this, all you need to do is go up to your 9 dots on your Google Chrome tab, then go down to Google Calendar. Then what you've got is your main calendar. To create a meeting, all you need to do is go up to the top left of your Google Chrome tab and click on Create. Then all you need to do is add a title to it, add a time and date, and then you've got all of the other options which you can choose. And then all you need to do is click Save at the bottom right. If you want to find out more on how to use Google Calendar, we've got a playlist covering all of the basics as well as some advanced features. To find out more, click or tap the screen and check out the link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon.